So today we'll discuss the formation of image in the convex mirror. Convex mirror and formation of image. Okay, let's take convex mirror here whose polishing side is curved outward. Take in the middle, this is pole, this is focus, this will be equal distance center of curvature, again this distance is focus here and this is center of curvature. Okay, now let's place any object here, AB. So first we will take a ray parallel to principal axis. Any ray that goes parallel to principal axis diverged in the direction of focus. In the direction of focus it is diverged. So first you join this, then it is diverged. Okay. Another ray which goes in the direction of center of curvature is returned in the same path. So any ray that goes direction to the center of curvature is returned in the same path. So you can find here, this is your A dash, B dash. So what did you get? What is nature of image? This is virtual, erect, diminished, because this is smaller than, this is bigger one, this is smaller one, diminished. Then behind the mirror. Okay. Now what you do is, let's take one more diagram here. This is suppose center of curvature. Sorry, this is center of curvature. This is suppose focus. This is your pole. Now this is focus. This is your center of curvature. So place any object in between focus and pole. That I have kept outside somewhere. Just I am observing when I am taking this object closer to the mirror, what will happen. So same rule, any ray that goes parallel to principal axis diverged in the direction of focus. Diverged in the direction of focus. Then another ray which goes in the direction of center of curvature, any ray that goes in the direction of center of curvature comes back in the same path. Again you see, this is A dash, B dash. What you observe is, when an object goes closer to the mirror, image comes closer to the mirror. And here it is diminished, here it is little bigger. So little enlarged, but not bigger than this. So what you will observe, when the object is coming closer to the mirror, image comes closer to the mirror. And also the image is enlarged in comparison to the previous one. So same thing you will find. This is virtual, This is your AB object. This is your A dash B dash. Virtual erect behind the mirror. Then smaller than the object. So how to understand? When a vehicle is coming very far away, you can see in this mirror, in a convex mirror, a small vehicle is found inside the mirror. So when the vehicle comes closer to the mirror, you can see the vehicle looks bigger inside this. That means when it comes closer to this, image gets bigger and bigger. So this is about your formation of image in the convex mirror. Every time it is virtual. There is no real image in the convex mirror. So basically it is used in the mirror of the vehicle to see the behind object which is coming. Okay. Mirror formula. Sign convention first. Sign convention for the formation of image in the spherical mirror. Okay. What you find is, suppose I take one concave mirror and convex mirror. Take one here. This is the midpoint. This is suppose focus. This is suppose center of curvature. Now I'll take another one. This is pole. This is focus. This is center of curvature. This is focus. This is center of curvature. This is coated inside. This is coated outside. So sign convention का rules you write. Rules. What is the rule here? The ray, rule 1. The ray from the object will fall from the left side of the mirror. Means the ray has to come from this side, not from this side. The ray will come from this side, the ray will come from this side. That means you have to place your object here. The ray has to go from the left side. If I place here, anywhere I can place, the ray has to go from left side. Okay, any ray that goes parallel to principal axis comes through the focus. Another ray which goes through the focus comes parallel to principal axis. So you can see the image here. If this is h height, this is h dash. See it very carefully. So again you can see here the ray is diverted in the direction of the focus, another ray that goes straight to the in the direction of center of curvature, then this is your H, this is your H dash. Okay, so here you can see object is erect, image is inverted. Here the object is erect, image is also erect. That is the first difference. The ray from the object will fall from the left side of the mirror. Okay, that is done. Second point, the distance is measured from the pole. Means you will start your measurement from here, either this side or that side. That means if the distance measured is opposite to the direction of ray, then the distance is negative, and if it is in the direction of ray, then it is positive. Okay, first you understand this. The distance measured from the pole, the distance is measured from the pole. Means you will start measuring from here. Either this way you have to come or you have to go in this way. If the distance measured is opposite to the direction of ray, because you are measuring from here to here, here to here, then here to here. This is your object distance. If I write AP, this is object distance. Then this will be negative because your ray is this way, you are measuring this way. So object distance is negative, image distance is negative. This is suppose A dash, B dash. This is AB. This is A dash, B dash. Okay, that means what did you get in concave mirror? The object distance will be negative because you have to start measuring from here to object opposite to the direction of ray. So this is negative. So I can write here for concave mirror, object distance, which one? Now PA, that will be minus U, because you take the symbol for measuring the object distance minus sign because you are measuring opposite to the direction of ray. Similarly, image distance, which one? PA dash. PA dash, that is minus V. Image distance always you count V and sign is minus because it is opposite. Focal length, that is PF, that is minus F. Similarly, for convex mirror, object is here, PA, object distance PA, that is minus U, but its image is, what is image? PA dash in the direction of ray, in the direction of ray, PA dash same direction. So image distance that is PA dash, which is plus V. Focal length, also pole to focus, that is in the direction of this ray, so that is plus L. So concave mirror, convex mirror, this you have to remember. This is very important for us to remember. Okay, then magnification. For magnification, object height, concave mirror, object height, erect AB, erect, so plus sign, image height, A dash B dash, so inverted, ulta, so minus H dash. Convex mirror, object height, that is AB, erect, so plus H, image height, A dash B dash, this is also erect, so plus. So here it is minus, here it is plus. Okay, these are the sign convention you have to remember before you start solving the problem. Okay, let me write down the formula for this. The formula is write the formula for equation of mirror. So for both the mirror we have same formula. Also write the formula for magnification. So mirror formula, one by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. What is U? Object distance. V, image distance. F, focal length. Okay, magnification. M, H dash by H, or M equals to minus V by U. Both you have to remember. So from here you get H dash by H equals to minus V by U. Okay. We can start a problem based on this. Let's start with a small question. Find the focal length of Find the focal length of the mirror whose distance where the distance from center of curvature to the pole is 20 centimeter. Okay. See, I can take any mirror because you are asked only the focal length. Suppose I consider this. This is focus. This is center of curvature. This is R. This is F. The distance from center of curvature to the pole is 20. That means R equals to 20 centimeter. I can take minus sign here. Why minus? Because the distance is measured from pole to center of curvature. But the formula R equals to 2F implies F equals to R by 2. That is minus 20 centimeter by 2. That is minus 10 centimeter. If it is concave mirror, convex sign will be plus. Okay, let's take some more questions on this. An object is placed question. An object is placed sixty centimeter from a concave mirror. Whose focal length is 20 centimeter. Find the distance of the image from the mirror. Also find its magnification. Okay. So if you draw a correct diagram, your concept will be clear. First you draw a concave mirror. Pole, this is your focus, whose focal length is 20. This is a, that means this is 20. The distance from center of curvature to, pole to focus to center of curvature, it should be equal. Means this will be 40. This is not required. But where is your object? Your object is 60 centimeter. That means this is 20, this is 20. Then after again 20, there is an object. That means your object is beyond the center of curvature. Okay, you try to draw the ray diagram. The ray that goes parallel to principal axis comes through focus. Any ray, you can take this way also, goes through the center of curvature, comes back in the same path. So this is our image. If this is AB, this is A dash, B dash. Okay, let's count. Object, distance, U, u means object distance is 60, but you are measuring from pole to the in the against the direction of this ray, so minus 60. Focal length is also 20, that means focal length f, that is also against the direction, minus 20. So let us see formula, mirror formula. 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Well put karo. 1 by minus 20 equals to minus 1 by 60 plus 1 by v. What you will do is take this number this side. So I will write down here. Minus 1 by 20 plus this will come this side, 1 by 60 equals to 1 by v. 60 20 का LCM, 20 divides this, 23 जा 21 जा 23 जा 60 is LCM. 63 23 जा 60, so minus 1 into 3, 60 by 60 is 1, 1 into 1 equals to 1 by v. So how much you got? Minus 3 plus 1 by 60 equals to 1 by v. Implies minus 2 by 60 equals to 1 by v. Therefore v is equal to ulta, minus 30. Look at why minus came? Because it is from pole to center of curvature. Pole to the image. Sorry. So that is a minus scale. And also when object is outside the center of curvature, image is between C and F. So you are getting between C and F because 30 is between 28 40. Because this total is 40, this is 20, so you are getting in between, so minus 30 has come out. Okay, what is the formula of magnification? The magnification m, that is minus v by u, because we will use uv is given. So minus v को वैल्यू minus 30, u को वैल्यू what is u? Minus 60. So that is minus cancel, 30 by 60, that is 1 2. So minus 1 by 2, that is minus 0.5 unit, centimeter. Okay, why minus? Now inverted. When it is inverted, the sign will be minus. And diminished you see, because this is bigger than this one is bigger than the image. So minus sign came because of it is inverted. Okay, so more questions we'll solve tomorrow.